In today's video, I am going to teach you how to upload Excel sheet into Email Marketing Kit. Before you start, make sure your Excel spreadsheet is saved as a CSV file. Kit imports CSV, not an Excel workbook format, so you will need to export or save your sheet as a TSV file first. Also take a moment to check your columns. At minimum, you want a column for email, and if you have it, a column for first name. Keeping your headers clear and simple will make the matching step faster. Once you are inside your Kit account, look at the main navigation and click Grow. From there, click Subscribers. This is the area where you manage your audience, including adding new people to your list. Next, find and click Add Subscribers. In the options that appear, choose Import a list of subscribe using CSV. This tells Kit that you are bringing in a file rather than adding subscribers one by one. Now you will choose where these subscribers should go by selecting Import to a tag. A tag is a label you can use to organize people, such as by topic, lead source, or interest. You can choose an existing tag if it fits, or create a new one so you can easily filter and target this group later. Taking the time to tag correctly now helps keep your email marketing organized. After that, upload your file. You can drag and drop your CSV file into the upload area, or click to choose a file from your computer. Wait for the file to finish uploading before moving on. Kit will then ask you to match your columns to Kit fields. Carefully match the email column to the email field, and match the first name column to the first name field. Make sure the email mapping is correct, because that is how Kit identifies each subscriber. If you see any columns you do not need, you can leave them unmapped. When everything looks correct, click Import Subscribers. Kit will process the file and add your subscribers under the tag you selected, ready for campaigns, automations, and broadcasts. And that is all there is to it.